Hey guys, welcome to another video in which we will talk about MPT or magnetic particle testing. So how to do magnetic particle testing, how to do its calibration, what equipment we will use, and we will test it at the job. We will cover it completely in this video. So please watch the video till the end. We have an electric yoke. You can see that we have taken the pi gauge. We will calibrate it. Then 8 lines are visible on the back side. We will magnetize it and show it on the opposite side with the help of electric yoke. For that we have a particle. You can see it, white contrast paint WCP. Before using it, we will shake it well. After that, we will apply it in the pi gauge. You can see it, friends. We have applied this white contrast paint WCP in the video. Now we will apply black ink particle also in the pi gauge and magnetize it. Then due to flux leakage, we will see 8 lines in the pi gauge. You can see it in the screen. Now yoke, we will magnetize the pi gauge and also put black ink particles in it so that the 8 lines in the pi gauge become visible. So friends, you can see that 8 lines are showing up and they are visible so well. Now you can see that it has 2 modes, AC and DC. So now we will keep the mode in AC and we'll do weightlifting. The weightlifting capacity of AC is 4.5 kilograms according to the scope. Here we will lift the yoke by setting its leg properly in the lifting block. Then it will be known whether the yoke is magnetizing properly or not, due to which the accuracy will improve. So friends, you can see how easily the yoke has lifted the 4.5 kilogram block. So the yoke is lifting properly in AC. Now we will change the mode of the yoke back. This time we will lift in DC. The lifting capacity in DC is 23 kilograms. So now we will lift it in 23 kilogram block. So friends, you can see that we will magnetize the proper leg of the yoke by placing it in the block, and we'll lift it properly and we'll check whether it is lifting properly or not. You can see how easily I lifted even a 23 kilogram block once again. The yoke is magnetizing well, so the yoke is calibrated properly. Now let's move on to the job. We have taken a welding plate. We will clean it well, then apply white contrast paint on the welding area, just like we did in pi gauge during calibration. We will follow the same thing. So after applying WCP, now we will apply black ink particles with the yoke, and we'll keep magnetizing the welding area with the yoke. Because we are checking the welding, we will keep applying particles too. So see friends, here we are getting a crack on the job. You can see how sharp the crack is appearing due to this. In technical language, it is called transverse crack. And here next to it, there is another crack. This is a longitudinal crack. You can see this. Thank you.